Norament stair treads are designed for 80 to 90-degree angle straight stairs and cannot be modified. To determine if the angle of the stair is suitable for the Norament stair treads, use a simple piece of stair tread and confirm the nosing can be fully compressed against the riser. To install Norament stair treads, first apply nora stepfix to the entire prepared staircase. The stepfix should be flush with the intersection between the tread and riser for both applications of the tape, one on the riser folded over the nosing and one on the tread. Don't be concerned if the stepfix overlaps on the tread or you slightly crease it during installation. Continue and press stepfix firmly into place with your hands. The riser portion of the landing stair tread is used for the bottom riser. Cut off the riser portion of the top stair tread, measure the top and bottom of the riser, and trim it to fit the bottom riser. You'll use the nosing portion of the stair tread later for the top landing. Do not install the leftover combined tread and nosing portion on the landing. Measure each step across in at least 3 locations. The nosing at the intersection between the tread and riser, and at the top of the riser. Then, trim to size using a straight blade utility knife. Undercut both sides to ensure a snug fit. Continue with the bottom step, working upward, and cut each stair tread to fit the width of the step. If required, scribe in uneven sides using dividers or a template. Next, remove the dry fit treads and begin installation by removing the wax paper from the bottom riser. Carefully press the pre-cut riser into position and trim the excess off, flush with the top of the stair nosing. Next, remove the first 3 inches of the wax paper from the tread portion of the step and place the pre-cut stair tread into position, keeping the stair tread nosing tight to the step nosing, and press firmly. A rubber mallet is helpful to fully bond the stair tread. Then, fold the remaining section back, remove the remaining wax paper, and fully adhere the tread section. Finally, fold down the riser section of the stair tread onto the tread and remove the wax paper from the riser. Carefully roll or push the stair tread tight into the intersection between the tread and riser. Then correctly position the riser and press firmly. Trim the excess flush with the nosing of the step above and repeat the process until all of the steps are completed. For the top nosing, there is a beveled area 2 inches from the front of the tread that is used to identify, cut, and remove the nosing for all landing installations. Make sure you cut off the nosing at the appropriate height so the thickness matches the thickness of the landing flooring. Mark each end of the balance of the stair tread. Then, use a straight edge and straight blade utility knife to remove the nosing and discard the remaining tread. Cut the width of the top nosing to fit. Do not use the nora stepfix to bond the top nosing. Use a suitable contact adhesive in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions for this application. Please see the nora installation guide for information on nora stair nosing for winding or curved steps, and for stair treads with nora visually impaired strips, which require nora epoxy stair filler, and for stair preparation.